this is not a good version. Windows is not behaving well. 3 NVDA. So NVDA, I'm looking to a hammer around exactly the price that we have right now, especially that 3314, 3314, 3314. Where is it? 3314 would be okay. Then I have 2976. Okay. Now I have R3, S3 actually, 23. It's S3. Okay. And then the last one would be for 1917. 1970. Okay, so here are our daily levels. I'm looking into break of this level down here, and 14-minute. So we have this yesterday's high. We'll see that if we get a hammer from above here. I don't like it now, so S3 would be a better option, that if it drops down to down here and then pushes to the upside. So let's see if the if actually sorry. Okay, let's see if I can get let's see what we are up to. So here on the other side, which is this actually, for some reason it doesn't activate the maybe it should be here. Yeah, it doesn't pick up the output of yeah, of course I just want it for, I'm just going to put it here to be bruh. This thing is making me to push back toward the V-bull again. Because people doesn't give you this much of headache, honestly. Like, it runs, it's all good. Okay. Let me just put it on night mode. It's a headache to look at it like this. Okay. So we go to paper trading. The platform is this one. I don't want to see anything. New plane. I need 2 charts. Yeah, I need SPY and I need Qs. Well, for some reason it came back. Okay. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. So a hammer here would be nice. Chart, and that's valid. I want this full size. I want this full size. As I said, that a hammer would be nice around here. Time frame. Move to 5 minutes. Move to 5 minutes. Show extended hour. Yeah. Down here. Doesn't hurt to have this purple instead. So here Nvidia is posing the good posing now. It's offering good opportunities for long. The thing is, it's $2.60 of stop. What's this? I don't need MA on my chart. So we'll see that what is market's reaction now. It could be a pull down to yesterday's close, which would be around here. This, and then a series of movements to the upside. But if it starts to push from here, that would be a good long. I'm already in the 200. Yeah. And I believe 2 more hundred after it breaks this level to the upside. Sorry. So I will take a big. Let me test this alert. I think there has been alerts, but I didn't. Yeah, as I suspected, because I think the other day yeah. Yeah. Well, honestly, it's too loud. I don't know. So 50 cents, well, it's 40 cents of a spread, and then I'm 50 cents in profit one and 39 cents profit on the other one. SPY is still holding. You can see down here, SPY is holding, but Qs are pushing to the upside. Let me add, let me synchronize the time and indicator and the crosshair. And I'm going to ask for indicator VS symbol 9. No, it's this one. I will ask for volume and VWAP. Okay, this is no good. Editing indicators, something with VWAP. There you go. The color is white. So it's here. I have $1.60 of a spread. Like, what are you talking about? I'm not gonna stay in this position considering what's going on now. Volume, inputs, introduction, style, this. Okay, this is the part that I wanted to do a brief in on the morning. Let's go for the brief. So today, today it is just some basic news. Let me just go back quickly to the trade that I closed. I closed them down here, but market is still keep pushing, but I don't believe that it's going to continue. Yeah, so from up here to down here, like you cannot have $1.50 of a spread. Like you cannot right now have $1 spread. Like look at that, like 90 cents of. I'm not trading this. I'm not trading this. And there's no major news today happening. There's nothing important. So Fridays are a little bit messy, especially the last day. Lots of position closure that people have to go flat. They have to. There are lots of forced closes. Let me go to platform. There are lots of things happening at the same time. So I don't know. We'll see that what happens in an hour or so. And meanwhile, I'm going to convert. Okay, let's go back to this. Then go back to this. Yeah. So here on the right side, we have. Let's actually go to this. Okay. So let's look at the. Let's look at the semiconductor. Look at this, the hell show that's happening down here. Although, well, you can see that the effect directly on the NVIDIA itself, how it has been. I can look at down here and 80 cents. 200 would be a, yeah, I can go by 200. It's more like it. We'll see what happens down here. If it breaks the LOD, the whole hell gonna get loose. But then if not, we'll see that what happens up here. I'm looking at the move to the upside to the break of HOD with another 2 candles, or maybe market needs to fall back a little bit. Again, look at that, $1 spread. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. We were here, I was explaining here on XOXL. That is breaking LOD. So let's see that if it pushes back to the upside. So on SPY, on the general SPY in general, today we have a little bit of hiccup, but it could push back to the upside again. SPY itself is on S4 now. No, actually it's on pivot. It's on the value. So we will reach a certain agreement between bulls and bears that if the price is set well, if the price is right actually, and if not, it will move to the back to the upside, or it will continue to go to the S&P. We are around the pivot anyway, so pivot will push to the highs of the. So we have this level touched. When I got in, my stop was 23 cents down here, so I'm looking at to around open, yeah, around open up here to take a partial. And I'm just 200 in. It's not a big share size. And Qs are also, on the other hand, Qs are also the same thing. This happening the same thing, and you can see I have had a little bit of this broad information from long time ago. It's now market is just touching that level. It's not really that important, but it's impacting the price anyway in some essences. But I don't believe that that's the line that actually works for me at the moment. I don't know. We'll see what is the outcome market. I'm going to actually add here. Everybody's pushing SPY and Qs are both pushing to the upside. So that's the price. I should normally have taken the 22. I added. So we'll see that with the 200 that I have added, what happens. And if market starts to rip, I will add a 500 share. My idea is to make 1% today, and 1% would be 1,000. So we'll see that how much of this is reachable today. SPY is pushing. Qs are not that interested in moving to the upside. SOXL is also with the hammer is pushing to the side. Look at the size of the hammer comparing to this. Look at the volume of this, the first candle. Look at the volume of this too. Look at the size of this. And then now everything is quiet. So this is the sign of depletion of volume, and it's just a formation of the direction. So if we get a hammer around VWAP, then for me this trend is dead, and I will close my trade in next 4 minutes. But if not, look at it again. This is suffrage. Like, I'm getting 70 cents of a spread. You know what was DAS's spread? 10 cents maximum. So at the same time that I'm trading, I will, as I said, that this is, I will reduce my size, and I would like to so I'm halfway through my goal for today. And I'm not liking this spread situation. Really don't like it. So I'm reducing my size to half and setting a stop loss in profit. So in any case, this is a win day for me, even though I'm not making anything today so far. I'm sure that I'm in a good situation, unless at least we get to a better position, that better timing, that market gives better spread. Like, I'm not, we'll see. So I risked down here with this trade. I risked 9 cents and I'm on 16 cents, right? So normally at this point, I take 1/3 off and let the rest play. It looks like it's a bust. Okay, I'm out. 200, 1/5 of my goal today. Okay, so if this starts to push up, which it looks like it's going, suavemente, din, 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 din. Suavemente. Okay, so as you can see down here, Q, this is Qs. These are Qs that is pushing up. This is XOL that is also pushing up. So I'm expecting my NVIDIA to have a blast to the upside, especially after this slow move down here. Now is the time to push to the upside, and this will be the real profit with this position, as it has a 500 shares size. I could go with 1,000 in, and officially the day is red to green now. We were green for 1 minute, and then the whole day, the rest of the day was red, and now we are down here, and then our market is pushing to the upside. And we have 30 more seconds, and I'm pretty sure market will push to the upside. Let's see what SPY is doing. SPY. That's the SPY that's making this hammer, but well, it's market is pushing to the upside. 200 reserved already in, so with okay, now it's a good time to push. Yeah, there you go. It's a red to green move. That's how weak it is. Yeah, so it was a red to green move. Let me see pre-market high. Pre-market high is basically the open of the day. So when I entered this position, my stop was down here, 14 cents. So when I reach HOD, it's not 14 cents, it's actually $1.40. When I reach $1.40, it's down here. I'm 70 cents now in profit. When I reach the top, it will be my 1R, and then I will be taking I will be taking 30 cents up, and then put my stop at it's basically coming in now. From there, and okay, halfway through the goal today, and I will be happy that if I reach my goal today anyway, because of today's market. And not to forget that it will be a long weekend, and this impacts the behavior of the market. So 380 cents in, and with 650, I will close my position, which is not far away. Moving my stop today. 620 would be enough. You can see here we have a little bit of resistance, and the most prob that this gonna fall back and try to touch the VWAP again. I'm just waiting for another push to close with max profit. This push is a push coming now. There you go. 500, less than 400, I will close my position. Just waiting for the last push. 1 more minute left, and I don't want to close with minimum profit, but market is going south now, and it's no good. I'm pretty sure it's gonna push up now. Nasty spread, man. Nasty spread. Look, this is the impact. I should have closed it at max top. There you go. Both SPY and Qs now are falling back. $0.60 left. 30 seconds left. I was looking at the spread. If in next 5 minutes SPY closes above VWAP, so as Qs, then I will look into see if I have position on Nvidia, if I have correlation in on Nvidia. Otherwise, it's a bust. I'm not happy with the short that I did. I didn't want to short actually. I was just holding. I'm not happy with the short. Spread, man, a spread. Okay, anyway. Anyway, so that's that for today. That is that for today, and yeah. And well, I'm happy with the result. And it's not exactly what I thought it would be, but it's somehow, I'm closing positive, so as I said, that if they both manage to close on top, then it gives a long opportunity. That's why I closed. I didn't want to short this, because here you can see there's a chance that this goes long. Look at the accumulation of volume here. We had long. Look at the size of short, but the volume of this long, it matches. But so it shows that there is an imbalance between long and short, especially if we are around VWAP. Here, on the other hand, Qs have no volume. And here, despite the size of the candle, market is still pushing up here. So we'll see that what's going on a little bit later. But now at the moment, nothing, especially that the 5 minute that I mentioned is forming here. And if break up here now, high of this candle, which is anyway, wherever it is, this would be a one confirmation or out of three. The second confirmation would be to break above this candle, which is the range of the touch of VWAP on Qs. This is the second one. The third, which is the most important, if I have signal on Nvidia. So you can see that I have 1 to 3 ratio of power of signal of just stock itself. Or it could be just it's providing some short signal. We'll see that what comes first. I'm not going to predict the market. I can just react. So we can expect a short now actually, and the market failed to reach the higher high, and what Qs are actually pushing to the upside, surprisingly. I didn't expect it actually, honestly. The other thing that I was not expecting, that all of the music that I did yesterday is not recorded. I have 3 tracks now, and then that's it. I'm not looking for a breakup high of day. I was looking at this to buy and then sell at HOD, which it didn't work out the way that I wanted to work. Huge spread, $2.80 of stop is too much. This could be 81.80 cents. This would be $2. So around here, that was when I lost confidence in my trade and I closed it. But it could have been good, but it's not. So, and in 10 minutes, I'm going to have a call with David, and yeah. So if the spread reduces to the upside, it will give me confidence that there is actually ask and bid there. Everyone is confirming that they're going to be pushed to the upside, but not in this ungodly. Now it's like 15 cents, but on 60, 70, $1. So now we'll see. SPY is pushing to the upside, so as Qs. Let me see. Actually, it doesn't hurt to add oh, what a mistake. I'm not happy with this long. David. Let's see, push. Anyway. Anyway, I'm done. It's just too much distraction and too much. No, things are not well as I want them to be. It's just that they're similar, but they're not actually what I want them to be. So I prefer rather to call it off and then go about having fun rather than sitting here and doing something. Espera. It's better. It's better. And rather than sitting here and trying to catch something that is not there. This is a good breakout high of day at the moment. It's nice looking to the moving to the upside. Uh, if it pushes to the upside, that would be a very nice signal. But I'm not gonna take this as it's not my setup. Yep, that's for today, and that's actually it concludes for this week. I will do a recap later on my channel of this week, that what happened and how things happen. From here, Del, have a nice weekend. Yeah.